Yes, let us consider these problems of computing the arithmetic mean in this video. Arithmetic mean is denoted as x bar for the variable x. For individual series, this is the formula summation x by n. For discrete series, the formula is summation fx by summation f. And for continuous series, the formula is summation fm by summation f. See, here this is an individual series because the values are not grouped. You don't have frequencies. This is a discrete series because the values are grouped. Okay. Now for individual series, the formula for x bar is summation x by n. Summation x, add all these values. 60 plus 65 plus 50 plus 45 plus 70. 290 divided by how many values are there? 5 values, right? 290 divided by 5 gives you 58. Okay, so this is how you compute arithmetic mean for an individual series. Okay, now let us come to this problem. Here the values of x are grouped. This is the formula you are going to apply. So if this is the formula, you have these values. You should have a column fx. Only then you can compute summation fx. The formula says you need a column fx. Multiply the corresponding values. 3 into 20. This is 3, right? 5 into 30. 7 into 40. 9 into 50. You need summation fx, so add these values. You need summation f, add these values. You need not add the values of x, right? So when you add f values, you get, see, the summation fx is 950. Here it is 150. Okay. So your x bar is summation fx by summation f, which is 950 divided by 150, which is 6.33. Okay. Now let us consider this problem. You are supposed to compute the arithmetic mean. You should not come to a conclusion that this is x and this is f. This is not a discrete series. The indication is here, values above are given. Similarly, here it is values below. So both these are cumulative distributions. You should convert them into continuous series. See, the values give me a clue for the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Above 50, there are 10 values. If suppose that this information is given in the problem, 50 to above 50, there are 10 values. Above 60, no values are there. So you can stop here. If this is given, even if it is not given, you should make an assumption that 50 to 60 is the last class. Okay, frequency. How should you derive the frequency? See, above is given. So you need all the values which are more than 100, but you don't want the values which are more than 10, right? 80 values are to be excluded. Here you want all the values more than 10. You don't want the values which are more than 20. 20க்கு மேல இருக்கிறது வேண்டாம். You need all the values greater than 20. You leave the values which are greater than 30. How many values are above 30? 30. How many values are above 40? 20. Leave it. How many values are above 40? 20. How many are above 50? 10. How many are above 50? 10. How many are above 60? 0. Okay. So this is how you calculate the frequency. See, for a continuous series, the formula is summation fm by summation f. So you need a column m. Midpoint. How to calculate the midpoint? lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 20 plus 30 is 50 divided by 2 is 25. 70 divided by 2 is 35. 90 divided by 2 is 45 and here it is 55. And then you need a column FM. Multiply F and M. Okay. Multiply this and this. 25 into 20. 35 into 10. 45 into 10. 55 into 10. Add sum FM to get summation FM and add F to get summation F. So, if you add, you get 2400 and here 100, right? So let us calculate x bar, which is summation Fm by summation F. Summation Fm is 2400, summation F is 100, you get the answer is 24, right? So this is not a discrete series, you should convert it into a continuous series. Let us come to this problem. Class intervals, the problem gives me a clue. They should be from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Where should I stop? It says below 100 there are 200 values. After that, no, nothing is there. So I can stop with 100. Here, how should you think? Here, values above are given, right? Above 0 எத்தனை இருக்கு? அதிலிருந்து 10க்கு மேலே இருக்கிறது மைனஸ். Above 10 எத்தனை இருக்கு? அதிலிருந்து 20க்கு மேலே இருக்கிறது வேண்டாம் மைனஸ். Here, below, you should think in that way. Below 20, 40 values are there. Below 0, I don't want the values below 0. Okay? 40க்கு கீழே, below 40 எத்தனை values இருக்கு? 100. Minus below 20, 20 values. Leave it. Below 20 வேண்டாம். 40க்கு கீழே இருக்கிறது வேணும். 20க்கு கீழே இருந்தால் வேண்டாம். Okay? Minus. 60. Below 60 there are 150 values. Below 40 there are 100 values. Reduce. Below 60, sorry, below 40 there are 100, 40 minus 0, 100, sorry, here it is a mistake. 100 minus 40, 60 and 150 minus 100 is 50, yes. 190 minus 150 is 40, right? 80 to 100, below 200, below 200 I have 200 values. I should leave the values which are below 80. So leave this 190, you have 10. Understand? See, below 20, 40 values are there. Below 0, 0 values you have reduced. Below 40, 100 values you want these values. But below 20, 40 values you are leaving them. Then 150 minus 100. Then 190 minus 150, 200 minus 190. Now calculate the midpoint. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 20 plus 40, 60 divided by 2. Here 50, 70, 90. Okay, this plus this divided by 2 is the midpoint. Now compute FM. FM is 400, 1800. I am multiplying these two values. Multiply these two values. Okay, add FM and F. So if you add, you get here 200. It should be 200, right? And here the total should be 100. Okay, that way you can check. So your x bar is summation Fm by summation F, 8400 divided by 200. So it is 42. Fine? 42 when you divide. Okay, this is how you compute arithmetic mean for individual, discrete and continuous series. Thank you.